Hello everyone, we meet again. Today let us know the inspection method, the combustion experiment method of flame retardant fabric. The combustion experiment method is mainly for measuring the damage length, after flame time and after glow time of flame retardant fabric. The flame retardant fabric of certain size is ignited for 12 seconds by the specified fire source in the specified combustion chamber, after the fire source is taken away. Measure the after flame time and afterglow time of ignited flame retardant fabric. When the afterglow finishes, measure the damage length of flame retardant fabric according to the specified method. We will test 10 times for every 1,000 meters. If there is one failure, we need to test it again for 3 times. If there still has any failure, it will be repaired or scrapped.